Right around the corner from the statue, this is where you get your waffle. Have you ever wondered about trying a real Belgian waffle? It's one of the treats you're not going to want to miss. All these waffles just sit out all day, all night. Some of the shops don't even ever close the window, and they just sit there.
When we were in Belgium a couple of months ago, we stumbled across this waffle shop, and everything looked absolutely delicious. My favorite part of this waffle shop was that whipped cream machine. I wish I could afford one to get one in my house. We'd have whipped cream on everything.
That's not a bad thing. That whipped cream is so cool because it doesn't deflate and it doesn't melt like American whipped cream. I have no idea what the difference is, but if you go to the grocery store, you can also get shelf-stable whipped cream. Maybe it's just the different way they make it.
Or it's just better than American food.
One of the secrets to their Belgian waffles is this dough. Check out how thick this is.
And it has big chunks of pearlized sugar in it, we found out. That makes it crunchy and crispy. Caramelizes on the outside.
And that's actually the only sugar that they put in there, so it's not nearly as sweet as American waffles. Super heavy, loaded with strawberries and whipped cream. A real Belgian waffle. You want that. So good. Creamy and soft and crunchy and delicious all in one. Real Belgian waffles don't taste anything like they do in America.
Yeah, they were crispy, light, yummy, and the strawberries and cream on top were delicious.
Yep, I don't know what they do different, but just, I mean, come here and get one.
This waffle shop, I can't pronounce it, but it's just around the corner from Manneken Pis.
This is our favorite one, and we actually tried several.
We came back here several times because it was better than the rest. That's just our unbiased opinion. But you'll notice here there's two different types of waffles that this waffle shop is making. A traditional Belgian waffle, which is what we think of when we think of a Belgian waffle as Americans. And there's also these waffles here that are called Liege. So they're a yeasted dough with the pearlized sugar inside of it.
And one way you can tell them apart is that the Liege has these unfinished edges. Of the two, this is definitely my favorite. It's just delicious.
And more whipped cream. You gotta love the whipped cream. We bought the pearlized sugar. We wanted to make waffles at home to show our kids. So we found a recipe online using a yeasted dough, and we used the pearlized sugar in there, and they turned out quite delicious.
We found the pearlized sugar in one store in Belgium, and we looked all over the place for it. We only found it in one, but when we came home, we found it on Amazon, so the link's down below. And we learned you do not want to use a mix master like this because it makes a ginormous mess. You want a big heavy duty mix master if you're going to use a mix master and not do it by hand. The hardest thing about this recipe is that you have to wait for half an hour to an hour for the dough to rise before you can cook it. That wait time is the worst. You notice how when you pull that out, it doesn't flop around like our pancakes or some of our waffle recipes? It's that yeasted dough. It just creates this lovely crisp layer on the outside. It keeps it soft and fluffy on the inside and makes it really easy to move around.
And they're delicious.
Mm-hmm. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for coming along with us. Be sure to subscribe and join our channel and let us know if you try the recipe. See you later.